Hi guys, welcome to GB's Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress themes. In our last video, we saw how to install WordPress in cPanel, and in next video we saw how to add and manage users. Once we have done those things, the first thing before we start any WordPress website project, we need to finalize the theme and install and activate the theme. By default, WordPress gives you this theme 2020, I suppose, and the design doesn't look much appealing as of now, and for which we need to install some or other theme that we prefer. Personally, I prefer installing Astra theme. It's a very popular theme worldwide, and you might want to give it a try. I'll give you the link in the description, or else you can just type Astra in your browser. You'll find this website. One more website where you can find great themes is Theme Forest. Again, based on the niche and the project that you are developing, like if it's a blog website, you'll have blog related themes. If it's a retail, if it's a technology, non-profit, entertainment, there are so many categories here, and you can select categories, and based on those categories you will have thousands of options as well listed, and you can purchase them. If you don't want to purchase any themes, what you can do is WordPress offers you millions of free themes as well, and you can use those for your commercial projects as well. And how to install it, let's see. All you need to do is log in into your dashboard. Once you log in, go to appearance, and here you will find the option called as themes. Open this. In this page you can see there are 4 themes right now in my website. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the active theme is this one. 2020 is the one which is active. It's generally recommended to keep one backup theme, and we can remove these other themes, right? So some theme called as Sinatra, I don't want this. I can just open this and delete it from here. And 2019, it's the older version of default WordPress theme. I don't want this. We can delete it. Let's clean this also. Okay, so now we have only one theme, that's 2020, provided by default, installed by default. Whenever you install WordPress, it comes with it. Now, as you know, it doesn't look much good, and we cannot use it for commercial purpose. You can, but then I don't like this design, so I'll change it. So I have this option called as add new. Now here you'll have this screen where you can filter and sort based on the popularity, latest favorites, and additional filters as well. Or else you can also search the niche, like if in case you want to have a theme which is made for blog websites, just type in blog and you'll have so many options here, and you can preview them, and then you can install it by clicking on this install button. If you purchase premium themes, once you purchase, you get the file, you get a zip file, and you need to upload it in your website. Where to upload? You will have this option here called as upload theme. Once you click on this, you will have this option to select the theme file from your PC, right? I can select the theme file and hit open, so it will be imported. Right now I'll install some themes from here, free themes from here itself. Let me type Astra Astra theme is really powerful, and yeah, Astra theme is really powerful, and I use it for most of my clients. So I'll be installing it here as well. Click on install. Once it's installed, you need to activate it. Okay, theme is activated. Now if you go to themes page, you'll have this. You can see there are two themes in our website, but the active one is Astra, and we will not delete it. We will keep it as a backup. If something goes wrong with this theme, WordPress will automatically switch back to the default theme, right? It's just for safety purpose. We'll keep one backup theme as well. Now this is the website, right? This was the website, and let's refresh and see what has changed by installing Astra. Okay, now the look, feel, and the fonts, spacing, header, everything has changed. Now we can start building our pages, and we can start creating our menus and stuffs like that. We can customize our header, footer, right? And yeah, this is it for this video. And in case you want to delete it, if you want to delete this theme, you need to first activate the other theme and then go ahead and delete this theme. Right now you can go ahead and practice the same. Let me know if you have any doubts or questions in the comment section, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. We'll see how to install plugins in our next video. Thank you.